Welcome to Pydle Day 101. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a cactus, so have a go at solving that. I'll now solve yesterday's Pydle, so if you're new to Pydle or you want to learn more on how to solve Pydles, then keep on watching and I will solve it. Okay, it's a walrus with our limited available pixels. So let's have a go at solving this Pydle. We just keep these two loops. Um, so let's do the white teeth first. So that's going to be where, let's do the condition. So if x modulus 2, and so it's when it's odd x, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So we don't even have to say equals 1. We just leave it like that because that evaluates to a true. And we need to say and y greater than 1. Okay, we've got our teeth there. And now simply need an else. Okay, let's just do the orange first so to see the outline. Okay, so that is the body filled in. And now we need the eyes, and for that we need to use an emoji. So just going to look that up. It's the black circle emoji. So that should be available on your device. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So we can just repeat that. So it's where x modulus 2 is 1. And y equals 0. Else, no character. Okay, so that should solve our Pydle. And it does. Okay, so have a go at solving either this if you haven't played before or any of the previous Pydles. And ideally solve today's Pydle if you want to keep up to date. I'll see you again tomorrow.